So hey guys, here I am in front of the bull on Wall Street. It's amazing standing here. I just think about how this bull is a symbol of so many things with America, the good and the bad. You know, the good, we look at the bull and it symbolizes that anybody can come to America and make a good life for themselves, that there's opportunity that abounds. It doesn't matter whether the background or the race or the class, that anybody can be prosperous here in America. And, so that's a great part of what the bull stands for. But the bull also, you know, around the world, it really, what the world really knows America for is its greed and its corruption. And unfortunately, the bull really stands for that as well. Anytime people think about making money, you know, they think about Wall Street. And, you know, in the economic times that we're in, this symbol, you know, everybody hates the bull, you know, but when we're in good times, everybody loves the bull. Well, unfortunately, we're in this downward spiral right now, and the thought of greed in America, you know, it reminds me of this verse that we're going to be covering today in Ephesians. Paul in chapter 5, he actually says, "Be careful how you live, not as fools, but those who are wise. Don't act thoughtlessly, but try to understand what the Lord wants to do." Not only what we want to do, but think about what the Lord wants to do.